Welcome back. Well, it looks like we're going to still see a little bit more of a summer-like pattern, even though fall officially gets here on the calendar. The season changes on Sunday. More temperatures in the lower 90s. We're not done with them yet. So let's take a look at the big picture as we look at the upper level pattern. It's still a little complicated. An upper level low that's off to the north of us is kind of left over from the upper level low that captured Francine and has been meandering around in the Midwest. A lot of that moisture, though, getting captured by another upper low that was off the coast of the Carolinas late last week and then slowly migrated westward, producing heavy rainfall. More on that in just a bit. But we're under the influence mostly of high pressure, but we got this cyclonic flow off to the north and east, and that's whipping around just a little moisture to produce those brief showers that we saw yesterday and the day before, and once again today, and we'll probably see tomorrow. Looks like things will begin to tone down as we head into Wednesday. You can see most of this activity across the area is widely scattered or isolated in nature, but we do pick up a few isolated showers on Power Doppler 3. We're seeing one south of the Delcom area, a few showers out across the basin, and the one just south of Delcom, nice little shower here. Let me kind of move it on over as things are moving along. This went through the Gross Tate area, a few sprinkles around Erath, Delcom, but the heavier showers a little bit farther to the south, and looks like heading directly for Avery Island. A little shower there for the peppers are good for sure. A few spotty showers as we get out into the basin, but they are falling apart, and a nice little downpour around the Amelia area. And again, we're thinking about our friends down in Morgan City, eastern St. Mary Parish through Amelia and up through Stevensville as well, getting hit hard with Francine, Gibson, and the parishes off to the south and east as well. Again, we're partnering up with Catholic Charities, Scriptus News. I have some information on my Facebook page, Twitter page as well. If you want to help donate and help give some relief for our friends and family in southeast Louisiana. Now, we have two systems, active systems, but they're not much to talk about. Well, Gordon, tropical depression. We think this might become a tropical storm, but eventually it's going to turn off to the north and not impact anybody inland. This one, though, a bigger deal. It was not only a rainmaker, but a flood maker. Portions of southeastern South Carolina, coastal counties picking up 1.5 feet of rain in a very short period of time. And I saw somebody tweet out of here, it doesn't take a named system to have major issues. So it was a potential tropical cyclone, never became a depression or a tropical storm, but produced tropical storm conditions and very heavy rainfall as well. And that's eventually going to die down a little bit, but the moisture lurks offshore as we take a look at the European model. And what I want to show you is we go down a week down the road, this is the area that we would be concerned with as we get into the Gulf of Mexico, maybe the Northwest Caribbean. The Euro is keeping a low pressure system, a non-tropical low hanging off the East Coast. We'll see if that fleshes out or not. Meanwhile, the GFS has kind of been on to developing a system beyond 7 days. So we get to that 7-day period, we see something here in the Northwestern Caribbean. And the last several runs, and people are posting this online, it does show something more significant developing in the Gulf of Mexico. But we're also going to have a front hopefully coming down at the same time, at least for the Western Gulf. So we'll have to watch this one. Again, it's just a model. What happens in the real world compared to what you see on the models could be two different things. So don't buy into these sensational headlines you might see on social media. Overnight tonight, maybe a shower or two early evening. Then tomorrow, a few widely scattered showers. The graph model, less on the rains than the HER model, but they're between 30–40% for tomorrow between both models. And then as we head into Wednesday, it looks drier. Temperatures a little bit hotter. And then going into Thursday, more of the same. A morning start in the mid-70s and topping out closer to the lower 90s as we round out the week. So 74 the overnight low, so a little bit more humid out there. The model picking up on a passing shower during the course of the overnight hours. So we'll maintain that 30% overnight tonight and then into tomorrow as well with partly cloudy skies or partly sunny skies in between. Again, a few more showers out there, and the model looking building those clouds a little bit better than the earlier run we saw. As we head into Wednesday, those rain chances going down, and they're near zero Thursday into the weekend. But look at those daytime highs, normal for August, not late September. And by the way, that fall equinox gets here at 7:43 a.m. on Sunday, so we'll be officially, or we're already in meteorological fall, but we'll be in astronomical fall as well going into next week. That's it for weather for now. We'll have more a little bit later on.